Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux from Play Store balance. So first you need to open your Play Store, then you make sure that you have installed the Roblox application, and also make sure that the account connected to Roblox is the same connected to your Google Play Store. After that, in Play Store you will see your profile icon on the top right corner. You click on that. Then in the options you will see payments and subscription. You click on that. Then the first option is payment method. You click on that. And here you need to make sure that you have any payment method is linked to your Google Play Store account. After you do that, you open your Roblox application, you connect to your account, and then on the top you will see the Robux icon. You click on it. Then here you will see many different packages. You choose which package that you want to purchase. For example, we are going to purchase the last option. You click on that. Then here, as you can see, you can purchase that package using your Google Play balance. You just need to confirm the purchase. And just like this. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.